Hi, welcome everyone, Real Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Europe style whole wheat sourdough. This is the main ingredients. Whole wheat sourdough. This one I make 1 day advance. Whole wheat flour, water, and fresh yeast only. This one has very nice fermentation, so you will get a real sour taste of the whole wheat. These are the all ingredients. This is the starter whole wheat. So this one I make 1 day advance. Whole wheat flour 500 and 300 water and 5 gram of fresh yeast. You will use only fresh yeast. This is whole wheat flour and this is all-purpose flour, salt and fresh yeast. So we are going to mix all together. I'm always suggest use cold water, 250 ml cold water. So we will mix 3 minutes low speed and 7 minutes high speed. You can see now my dough is ready. It's nicely mixing and not sticking in the bowl. You can see very clear dough. So we are going to take out now. You can see a nice shine dough. So we are keep for another 1 hour for fermentation. So you will get nice sour flavor when you keep more time for fermentation. In the container I will apply a little bit olive oil so not stick your dough. So keep another 1 hour. Here we go. We can see our whole wheat sourdough fermentation. How's the race in the dough? Before it was like this, now it's almost full. See the bubbles. Now I fold again. Keep some minute for rest, and we will make the dough. You can see. Wow, it's nice smell. We'll keep half an hour around for resting again. Then we will divide the dough. So now our whole wheat sourdough is ready. So we are going to divide now. We are using red mold for this. So now I am going to put in the oven. It will take 3 hours almost. So let's see. So our sour bread is ready now. Let's see. Homemade style sourdough. Our whole wheat sourdough is ready now. So we can go for baking. You take very gently. I'll make a small cut because inside already have Yeah, so this air need to go out. If I didn't cut, it will go here, there, so bread will be unshaped. Let's go for baking. (200 Celsius), 20 minutes, fan number 1. Ready now? So we are going to test the bread now.